In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to be a seller on Fiverr. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna click on your profile and you have to click on this option, become a seller. So once you're on this option, you're gonna click become a seller, and then it's a long process. You're gonna go and fill in many forms. So you're gonna click continue, continue. Alright, so once you're here, you'll have to enter all this information. So your first name, last name, display name, then you're gonna share a description. So here you can write about your work experiences and projects, and make sure to add a profile picture as well. So you can write, I specialize in video editing, HTML, WordPress. It's just an example, but of course you'll have to be more professional. So you'll have to enter at least 150 characters. Then you'll have to select language. So I'm just gonna make it 150 words. Perfect. Then you can choose any profile picture. So I'm just gonna pick this one for now. It's just a random profile picture. And then you'll have to choose your languages. So I'm just gonna choose the language. Alright. Language level. So let's say fluent. And then you're gonna click continue, add, and then continue. Alright, so once you're there, you're on to the next step. So now you're gonna give your occupation, skills, education, everything in detail. And you'll have to continue this. So this is the most important part. So you'll have to make sure that you fill in all of this information. Then you'll have to click continue and go over to the next step, which is about your linked accounts. So now you'll have to link your social media accounts if you want and all that stuff. And then you'll have to write about your account security, and that will be the last part. So that's how you become a seller on Fiverr. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.